Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing the My TV for a safe software update process. Confirm the TV is connected to a 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Check that you have at least 500 MB free internal storage for the download. Make sure the remote control has fresh batteries and the power is stable throughout the update. Plug the TV into a surge protector if available. Close streaming apps and pause any recordings before proceeding to the update steps. Prepare a USB drive if you plan a manual install. Navigate to Settings on your My TV to begin the update installation. Open Device Preferences, then About, and select System Update to check for available updates. If an over-the-air update is available, read and accept the terms to start the download. Monitor the download and installation progress as it moves from 0 to 100% on screen. Do not power off the TV until the process finishes and the device reboots automatically. For manual installs, copy the official update. Zip to a FAT32 USB drive. After the TV reboots, verify the new software by returning to About and checking the build number. Clear app cache for major apps and update them from Google Play to reduce post-update glitches. If you experience problems, perform a soft restart first and a factory reset as a last resort. Report persistent bugs using the My TV feedback tool or contact support with your serial number. Enable automatic updates to receive future patches and keep the remote batteries charged for uninterrupted installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.